Lolu hlelo lukhuthaza ukuba abantu besebenzise ngezindlela ezehlukene izinto ezakhiwe ngoplastiki kanye neglass. Lolu hlelo lwesikhwama i-Social Employment Fund selunike abantu basemakhanda amathuba okuxosha ikati eziko, njengoba abantu abaqashwe lapha kungabesifazane kanye nentsha.
Le project nyani ifike yatshintsha serious ungakumbi ubomi babantu abaninzi. Abantu bafundile bahleli phandle akhonto abakwazi ubeka isonka phezu kwetafile, but le project nyani ifike yenza into ngaphandle kobeka isonka etafileni. Sifunde elikhulu kule project nathi.
Lezi tini ezakhiwa ngeglass kanye noplastiki kwakhiwa ngazo izindlu futhi zibiza kangcono kunalezi ezijwayelekile. Kanti-ke kunezinhlelo zokuthuthukisa lolu hlelo.
We have the intention of going a lot bigger. Once we can get more machinery. Our biggest problem is 80% of our budget goes on wages and 20% is non-wage. So all of the machinery we buy, everything we do, has to come out of the non-wage budget.
Lolu hlelo lungenye yezinto ezinomthelela omuhle ekuhlanzekeni kwedolobha iMakhanda.